What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got a brand new NASCAR diecast unboxing, and this one should be pretty big. We should have 18 brand new 1/64 scale diecast in this box. We're going to take them out one at a time and we're going to check them out. But first, sometimes I'll get comments on where I'll order my diecast. So here's their card. K-State Diecast on eBay is how I usually do it. And there's some codes, and there's the actual website, kstatediecast.com. But I usually do the eBay account, just for the sake of, I don't really know, just doing it. But anyways, so there you go. That answers that if anybody wants to know where I get these and how I get them so quick. Let's get the pack of peanuts out of the way. We should have 18 of these puppies in there. And usually I say we'll take them out at random and we'll get surprised together. And as you can see, we will do that again today, because they are all squished in there with the bottom showing first. So let's just go ahead and get on after it. So first up is the number 21 Josh Berry 75th anniversary special box there. Motorcraft backseater Mustang. Pretty cool. This is the Wood Brothers 75th, or 75 years of the Wood Brothers. So cool to get, of course, one of these iconic number 21 cars with a special box. First one out, long way to go. Next up, we got the Denny Hamlin 2025 Yahoo number 11 Toyota Camry. Really like this one. I like the Yahoo schemes, always have. Sometimes they've been on Christopher Bell, sometimes they're on Hamlin. I love them. This one's no different. Next up, another Joe Gibbs Racing car. We got the number 20 for Christopher Bell. This is his DeWalt Interstate Batteries scheme. So this one's really sick. Putting those two together, the iconic sponsors, both on the same ride there. So that's third up. We got William Byron's number 24 Cincinnati Chevrolet for the 2025 season. So that's the first Chevrolet out of the box. We've got a Chevy, a Ford, and some Toyotas already. Next, damn, lift kit in the back for the Bubba Wallace, number 23. Let's see, there we go. Lidos, I guess. I'm not really sure how to say the sponsor, but 23 car for Bubba Wallace. 2311 Racing. Next, this is the Joey Logano number 22 Shell Pennzoil Special Mustang. This ran in the Daytona 500. Special for the 2025 Daytona 500. So there is the 6th car out of the box. And then we see another box. So the next box is here and should have 12 cars in it. And I think it does. 6 on top, 6 on bottom. And we'll get into, whoa, I guess we won't get into them one at a time. Here they come. Let's flip that up to keep it a surprise. And I guess we'll go over these together. Austin Dillon's number 3 Winchester. Well, I guess it's Bass Pro Shops. Whoops on me. Bass Pro Shops number 20, or number 3 for the 2025 season. Got me all messed up out here. Next up, Daniel Suarez, Freeway.com, Freeway Insurance Blue, number 99. I'm just going to quit guessing what the sponsor is at this point, and I'll just read what they are. Okay. Next up, Michael McDowell for Spire Motorsports, the 71 Workforce Chevrolet for the 2025 season. So this is pretty cool to get a Spire 164 and Michael McDowell. Put them together and you got pretty cool diecast. Next up, Ross Chastain's #1 for Trackhouse. BeAMoose.org. No. Moose Fraternity, #1. Pretty cool. That's been the scheme for a few years now, I believe. Sticking with Mr. Ross Chastain, this is his #1 Kubota Chevrolet for Trackhouse. Nice. So 2 Ross Chastains back to back there. Pretty sweet. Next up, Burt Myers, #50. So really cool to get something like this here. Burt Myers. Really sweet. This could be his one and only release. Not sure. But could be his one and only release ever. But who knows. Next up, Chase Elliott's Kelley Blue Book #9. Another scheme that's been this way for a few years now. 3 or 4-ish years. This has been the Kelley Blue Book scheme. But I'm a sucker, so here it is. In my collection for like the 3rd or 4th time. However many years it's been. Pretty sure I've got it every year. Because I love it. Anyway, next up, Brad Keselowski, #6 for RFK. The Castrol Mustang for the 2025 season. Castrol #6. Next, getting down to the wire here, we got Noah Gragson's #4 Miller Tech Mustang for Front Row Motorsports. This one's a really nice one. Again, like I said with McDowell, it's kind of cool to get some Front Row love and some Gragson love here. Okay, 3 more coming out of the box. And I didn't do this on purpose, but the 3 left are race versions. First up is Austin Hill's Atlanta win for the 2025 race season. Really, I was going to say really nice, but not much about this guy's nice. But I think it's a cool diecast. I think it's... I'm just going to stop complimenting anything about him. Next up, next to last, is Joey Logano's Pennzoil. This is the Vegas win from the 2024 season. It's tough to see all up in there, but this is a playoff race. You got round of 8, I believe, a round of 8 race, and you got the yellow markings, name banner, and spoiler. Yeah, that's easier to see, I guess, right there, round of 8 for Logano. This is, of course, what punched his ticket to the Final Four, where he won the chip. So, congrats to him, I guess. Not really. Next up, this is the last of the unboxing here. William Byron's 2025 Daytona 500 win. Chevrolet for Hendrick Motorsports. Back-to-back winner here. William Byron. Confetti all over the place. Looking pretty good. So, let's see if I can bring them all back together somehow. But what I usually like to say is leave a comment on which diecast you guys liked the best from the video. And this one you've got a lot to choose from, so I'd be interested to know what everybody likes to see. Like the video if you wouldn't mind, and subscribe for more as well. And here we go. 18 brand new NASCAR diecast. Again, a lot of options to choose from if you'll leave that comment and like the video. and subscribe for more. Thanks for checking this one out. Catch you in the next one.